Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer of Kekawag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 Part 10. So in Part 10 we are going to cover Chapter 4 in which labeling and packaging, then Chapter 5 miscellaneous and schedule to the Act. Labeling and packaging. All the general and specific labeling and packaging specified to all classes of drugs and cosmetics should be as per the provisions made under the Act. General guidelines for labeling of drugs. The following are the general guidelines of labeling of the drug. First is name of the drug with trade name. So example like paracetamol, IP tablet, metacin tablet, etc. Second, name or a synonym specified in the official pharmacopoeia, official compendia or formulae like IP, PP, USP, and NF. Then net contents, weight, volume, the number of units, example 10 tablets, quantities of the active ingredient expressed either amount per single dose for liquid, amount per millimeter for parenteral, amount per unit for tablet and capsule, percentage by weight or volume, unit per gram or per milliliter, examples paracetamol IP 500 milligram, excipient quantity sufficient. Name and address of the manufacturer and licensing number. Themis Pharmaceutical, Vapi, Gujarat, manufacturing license number G2104. A distinctive batch number, lot number, example batch number 5/50, lot number is 6. Date of manufacture and date of expiry, example manufacturing date is 5/2/94, expiry date is 4/2/99. Precautionary informations like storing dark or store in cool place. Then general informations like check well before use, suspension, emulsion, lotion, then for external use, if external preparations are there, not to be sold if physician sample is there, for animal use only, for veterinary product. So these are some general guidelines for labeling and packaging of the drugs. Special guidelines for labeling of drugs. Labeling specials. So class of drugs, schedule C and C1. So this is biological drugs. So nature of medicine in original form. Specific particulars appear on the label. Proper name in addition to patent name, potency in unit, name and address of manufacturer, license number under which manufacturer, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, precaution for preparation. Then Schedule G, made up ready for internal use. It is dangerous to take the preparation except under medicinal supervision. Schedule G, for external use, no caution required. So then Schedule H, nature of medicine is internal use, not narcotic and psychotropic substance. Then RX symbol on left top corner of the label. Schedule H drug, warning, to be sold by retail on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only. Internal use, narcotic and psychotropic substances, in RX symbol on left top corner of the label. Schedule H drug, warning, to be sold by retail on prescription of a registered medical practitioner only, for external use, external use only. Schedule X drug, internal use, NRX in red ink symbol on the left top corner of the label. Schedule X drug, warning, to be sold by retail on prescription of registered medical practitioner only, for external use only. Then patent and proprietary containing vitamins for therapeutic use or for prophylactic use or for pediatric use. Non-sterile surgical ligature and suture. Non-sterile operation unless sterilized. Mechanical contraceptives. As per Schedule R, date of manufacturing, storage condition. Chapter 5, miscellaneous. Schedule to the Act. First schedule, name and name of the books under Ayurvedic, Unani, Tips and Siddha system. Second schedule, standard to be compiled with by imported drug and by drugs manufactured for sale, sold, stock or exhibited for sale or distribution. First schedule includes name of the books under Ayurvedic, Unani, Tips and Siddha system. Second schedule, standard to be compared with by imported drugs and by drugs manufactured for sale, sold, stock and exhibited for the sale or distribution. So class of drug, patent or proprietary medicine other than homeopathic, standard to be compared with the formula or list of ingredient display in the prescribed manner on the label or container and such other standard as may be prescribed. Substances commonly known as vaccines, toxins, antitoxins, antigens and biological products of such nature. The standard maintained at the laboratory recognized by the WHO from time to time, and such further standards of strength, quality, quantity, and purity as may be prescribed. Vitamins, hormones, and analog products. The standard maintained at the International Laboratory for Biological Standards, National Institute of Medical Research, London, and such further standards of strength, quality, and purity as may be prescribed. Substances other than food intended to affect the structure or any function of the human body or intended to be used for the destruction of vermin of insects which causes disease in human or animals. Such standard as may be prescribed. Standards of identity, purity and strength specified in edition of the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India for the time being, and such other standards as may be prescribed. The standards of identity, purity and strength prescribed for the drugs in addition of the pharmacopoeia for the time being, and such other standard as may be prescribed for homeopathic medicine. Drug include in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India, then drug not included in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India but which are included in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the USA or UK or Germany, then drug not included in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the India or UK or USA or Germany. The formula or list of ingredients display in the prescribed manner on the label or container, and such other standard as may be prescribed by the central government. Other drugs include drugs included in the Indian Pharmacopoeia uh, and drugs not included in the Indian Pharmacopoeia but which are included in any pharmacopoeia of any country. Standard of identity, purity and strength specified in edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia for the time being, and such other standard as may be prescribed. Standard of identity, purity and strength prescribed for the drugs in the edition of such other standard as may be prescribed. Thank you so much.